All right, we are back at the Mustang, and we're gonna get this water pump. Okay, yeah, oh, just in case. So, all right, great. I'll let you know when I'm all finished up.
Okay,
so
sounds good.
And then the key. Do you have that?
Oh yeah, for sure.
I'm just gonna, when I'm done, I'll have to run it for a little bit.
Gotcha.
So.
I'll be right back out with some water, man. I got you.
Perfect. Thank you. I love it. People are nice. Whew. All right, let's get started. Packed, but also organized. Here she is. Pull this off. Get this puppy out of here. Move this belt over like that. Okay. Well, this is gonna go here. Now, probably gonna lose a little bit of coolant. Okay. Oh wow, this thing is stuck. Okay, so far this thing is really stuck, but there we go. Nice. So as you can see, it has a rubber O-ring and plastic fins. Our new one is going to have metal fins. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, so what I like to do is use green Scotch-Brite like this, and I'll just clean up the whole area. On this, we just want to get inside here like that, where the O-ring sits. Beautiful. And then just take your hand, make sure there's no rough spots. Feels nice and good. And we're gonna want to dry up that area. So let me get a towel and we'll dry it up. Okay, so I just got some napkins and I'm drying here. Now we're going to take this, slide it on here, and I'm going to put a little bit of grease on this O-ring, just a little bit. Okay, very nice. Okay, so just goes in just like that. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just make sure it spins and check them again. 1, 2, just till they're snug. 3. Okay. Now this needs to go on. Oh, it's tricky. So 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, now we are putting this pulley on. Okay, and then I'll tighten again once I put the belt on. Nice. Okay. Now this. That. And we're just going to let this do its thing and do a pressure test. Okay. Now hello. Good, how are you?
Hey, Dad, she told me about you. My name's Eric.
Nice to meet you.
I've been meaning to message you. I have a 2020 F-150.
Yeah.
It's still under warranty, but I know if I take it to Ford, it's going to sit there for 4 or 5 weeks.
Yeah.
But I have a check engine light and some rattle.
Yeah.
And I was wondering if you'd be interested in taking a look at it.
Sure. You want a card?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I'd be happy to help.
Yeah, I think it's probably just a sensor, something simple.
Yeah. Okay, we got everything filled up. We have the vehicle running. Now I always put on the heat to make sure that it's bled properly, because if you don't have heat, then you don't have coolant cycling through the dash and through the heater core and all that. So when you have nice good heat, you should expect pretty good results, I'd say. So we're right at halfway. We're gonna go down the road, make sure everything is good, and then we'll wrap it up here. We're not gonna go far, just right down to the corner and back, just to make sure, you know, the temp gauge doesn't jump as soon as we start moving. Because they will do that sometimes once the, you know, water pump starts cranking. It'll, you know. Oh yeah, this looks like a great place to do donuts. That's so funny. rev it up for a sec, make sure everything's normal. Alright, we are all done here. Hope y'all enjoyed. Peace.